This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes on TurboTax. First, gather all your essential tax documents, such as your W-2 forms, Form 1099s for investment income, and any other relevant statements. Next, select the TurboTax product that best suits your filing needs, whether it's for simple returns or more complex situations involving investments or self-employment. Finally, create a new account or simply log in if you're a returning user to begin the process. Once logged in, TurboTax will guide you through entering your personal and financial information. Be sure to accurately report all your income sources, including wages, interest, and dividends, as prompted. The software makes it easy to input details from your W-2s and other forms. Don't forget to enter any applicable deductions and credits, as these can significantly reduce your overall tax liability and potentially increase your refund. After entering all your information, it's crucial to carefully review your entire tax return. TurboTax provides a comprehensive review process, flagging any potential errors or missing information to ensure accuracy. Take your time to double-check every detail before proceeding. Once you're confident everything is correct, you can choose your preferred filing method. Either e-file directly through TurboTax for a faster process or print and mail your return. Many users have questions about their refund status or filing deadlines. TurboTax provides resources to help. Remember to keep copies of all your filed tax documents, including your return and supporting forms, for at least 3 years for your records. This is a good practice for future reference or in case of an audit. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.